Are you brand new to the drums? If so, you've come to the right place. Here is drum set lesson number 1 for absolute beginners. And at the end of the video, I've got a bonus for you. By the way, if you're new to Brad Allen Drums, I'm a professional drummer based out of Kansas City. I'm also a private teacher who has helped many students learn to play the drums, including my student Joel McCoy, who also became a professional drummer and is now playing in Nashville. Okay, the first thing to understand about drumming is that most of what we play on the drums is some type of repeated beat. With that in mind, we're going to start with a basic rock beat. Step 1, you're going to play eighth notes with your right hand on a closed hi-hat, and you're going to count them out loud just like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Step 2, we're going to add our snare drum on 2 and 4 along with the hi-hat. This is called a backbeat. Playing the snare drum on 2 and 4 is the most important element in most popular music. Let's start nice and slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Let's go just a little faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please click that like and subscribe button. That really helps me to grow this channel. Thank you in advance. Step 3, we're going to leave out the snare drum for a minute. We're going to play the bass drum on 1 and 3 along with our hi-hat. Again, first start nice and slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Let's try just a bit faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Step 4. Now we're going to put it all together. We'll continue to play eighth notes on the hi-hat. We'll play the bass drum on 1 and 3, and we'll play 2 and 4 on the snare drum with our left hand. Nice and slow again to start. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And now a little faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. So again, what we learned was a basic rock beat. This is the best place to start because it's pretty easy to learn to play. It's also fundamental to most drum beats in popular music. I recommend that you count out loud in the beginning, just like I demonstrated here. And once you're comfortable with the beat, you don't need to continue to count out loud. To practice effectively, play the beat over and over at a slow speed. When you're comfortable at a slow speed, start just a little bit faster and play it over and over at that speed. You want to practice maintaining one speed at a time, and that's how you get control over the drums in general. So now, once you're a little more comfortable with this beat, try playing along with some music. Try playing along with Old Time Rock and Roll by Bob Seagar. That has a nice straightforward beat to it. You can use the YouTube settings to slow it down a bit if you need to. In the beginning, just play the beat that we just learned. Don't worry about the crash cymbal on the recording or the fills or anything like that. Just play the beat itself. Now for the bonus that I mentioned earlier. I have 10 beats that every drummer needs to know that I'd like to send you absolutely free. It comes with a downloadable PDF you can practice along with. It also comes with an exclusive video demonstrating all the beats. Again, all free. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below. Please comment below and tell me if there are any other beats on the drums you would really like to learn, or if you just want to comment helpful, that would also be really awesome. Again, be sure to subscribe to my channel for new drum videos every week. Thank you for watching, and I have another video that teaches more rock beats for beginners that you should watch next. Please check out that video, and we'll see you next time.